In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix War Thunder black screen or not loading on PC. So this could be because you either have the display settings set incorrectly or the graphics cards are too low. So what you can do is go to display, and here make sure you set the scale to recommended, set the resolution to recommended, and here set the hertz to whatever is default. The default option, just make sure it's default. And then do the same if you have multiple monitors. Now for the graphics cards, so you can either go to the NVIDIA app and update your graphics cards drivers from there. Here you can download it, or you can just go to Device Manager, Display Adapters, and then update the drivers from here. So often updating the driver to the latest version can help you fix this issue. And you could also update it if you go to here, let's say nvidia.com, and here go to drivers. And here you'll select the specific driver for your graphics card. You'll have to look at your graphics card and then put in the specs for it. Then here you'll download the game ready version. So once you download the game ready, it's like an installer. So once you download it, you'll just run the installer and it will automatically update the driver for you. And once you do this, hopefully this should fix your issue.